Hello, little wanderers. Welcome to the Mud Madness mission, where kids embark on a thrilling adventure to rescue domestic and farm animals stuck in the sandbox. Join us for a day filled with excitement, teamwork, and animal rescue fun. Explore the barnyard and meet a variety of domestic animals, from chickens to goats. Learn about their daily routines. Let's go! Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbit. Our next muddy creature is ring-tailed lemur. Ring-tailed lemurs are native to the island of Madagascar, which is the only place in the world where lemurs are found naturally. They are easily recognizable by their long, bushy, black and white striped tails, which are longer than their bodies. Our first animal is farm animal duck. Ducks are social animals and often form flocks, especially during migration. Some species also exhibit strong family bonds. Ducks are strong flyers and their flight speed can vary depending on the species. Unwrapping the tail of the cow. Female cows, known as cows or heifers, produce milk. The milk is a rich source of nutrients and is commonly consumed by humans in various forms like milk, cheese, and yogurt. They have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from plant fibers. Get ready for the sheep adventure. There are over 1000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together. Contrary to popular belief, sheep have good memories. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals or birds occasionally. A closer look at this curious goat. Goats are milk producers and their milk is often consumed as an alternative to cow's milk. Certain goat breeds such as the Saanen and Alpine are particularly known for their high milk production. There are numerous goat breeds worldwide. Discovering the wonders of a unique llama. Llamas are large, long-necked mammals with a camel-like shape. They have a distinctive appearance with a long face, large eyes, and long ears. Adult llamas typically stand between 5.5 to 6 feet tall at the shoulder, and llamas are social animals. Nature's living teddy bears, koala. Koalas are generally quiet animals, but they can make distinct vocalizations such as grunts, snores, and bellows. Males have a deep voice that they use to attract females and establish dominance. Koalas are native to Australia and are found in the eastern and southern regions. Next stop on our wildlife is Anteater. The giant anteater is the largest of the anteater species and can reach lengths of up to 7 feet (2.1 meters). Including its bushy tail, anteaters are insectivores primarily feeding on ants and termites. Their long snouts and sticky tongues. And next is queen of the wilderness, Lioness. Lionesses are strong and agile, with powerful bodies that enable them to take down and carry prey that can be as heavy as themselves. They have sharp claws and strong jaws, making them effective predators. In the fast lane with cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour in short bursts, covering distances up to 500 meters in just 20 seconds. Unveiling the secrets of the black bears. Black bears are the most common bears in North America and are known for their adaptability and wide range. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems including forests, swamps, and mountains. Adult males typically weigh between 130 to 660 pounds. Meet the furry superstars, dog. Dogs serve in various roles including search and rescue, police work, therapy, herding, and as loyal family pets. The lifespan of a dog varies by breed and size. On average, smaller breeds tend to live longer than larger ones. Exploring the enigmatic alligator. American alligators are primarily found in the southeastern United States, inhabiting freshwater environments such as swamps, marshes, rivers, and lakes. Chinese alligators are native to eastern China, and American alligators are generally larger than Chinese alligators. Journeying forward to the bears. Despite their large size, bears can be surprisingly fast and agile. They are capable climbers and swimmers, and some species are known for their ability to run at relatively high speeds. Several bear species are listed as vulnerable or endangered. Prepare to witness the majesty of the lion. Lions are known for their love of sleep and can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Lions are known for their social behavior. They live in groups called prides, which consist of related females, their offspring, and a coalition of males. Introducing the initial creature, Hippopotamus. The common hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal. After elephants and white rhinoceroses, adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds or more. Despite their size, hippos are excellent swimmers. Journey into the rhinoceros realm. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species, with males weighing up to 2,300 kilograms. Rhinos can be found in a variety of habitats including savannas, grasslands, forests, and swamps depending on the species. Witnessing the grandeur of bulls. Bulls are generally larger and heavier than cows. The size and weight can vary significantly depending on the breed. In the dairy industry, bulls are sometimes used for breeding to produce dairy cows. Bulls were historically used as draft animals. Time to explore our next domestic animal, camel. Camels are social animals and often live in groups called herds. These herds are usually led by a dominant male, and the females typically form close-knit groups with their young. Camels can drink large amounts of water in one go when it's available, storing it in their bloodstream, and camels are social animals. Next stop in Dino Exploration, Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurs were herbivores feeding on plants and vegetation. They had serrated teeth, suggesting they were adapted for cutting and processing plant material. Pachycephalosaurus varied in size. Nature's black and white wonders, zebra. Zebras are social animals and often form groups called dazels or zeal. These groups provide protection against predators. Zebras communicate with each other using vocalizations. Their digestive system is adapted to extract nutrients from fibrous plant material. Exploring the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex is one of the most iconic dinosaurs and has become a symbol of prehistoric times. It has been featured in numerous movies, documentaries, and other forms of popular culture. Tyrannosaurus Rex was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs. Let's explore the last animal, majestic horse. Horses are strict herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based diets. Their digestive system is adapted to process fibrous plant material efficiently. Horses are known for their sensitivity and emotional intelligence. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour. The lifespan of a horse is around 25 to 30 years. Thank you for watching our domestic and farm animals in the Sandbox adventure episode. Subscribe now for the Mud Madness mission and become a hero for domestic and farm animals in need. Let's work together to rescue, learn, and have lots of muddy fun. Until the next muddy adventure, see you soon, little wanderers.